Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix slow-mo issue, slow motion, input lag or input delay in EA Sports FC26 game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. So the first fix is to try this in game settings. So launch the EA Sports FC26 game and then go to the game settings. So click on this gear icon and then click on settings. Then go to the game settings and from the top go to the display section. Here it is, and here you will see display mode windowed. Just change it to borderless, then turn off VSync. Here you can see VSync is on, just turn it off. Then set the FPS to 60. Here you can see the FPS frame rate limit, so limit the frame rate to 60 FPS. Don't set it to 90 FPS or 120 FPS, just set it to 60 FPS. Then turn on dynamic resolution scaling. Here you can see dynamic resolution scaling, just turn it on. And then set the dynamic resolution FPS target to 60. It is already 60, so you have to set it to 60. Then save the changes and then restart the game and check. So click on this apply button, or you can also press the spacebar button on your keyboard to save the changes. Click on confirm to confirm it. And then just go back and then relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to set refresh rate to 60 Hz, turn off on VSync and keep the refresh rate and FPS below your monitor's refresh rate. So first set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. To set the refresh rate to 60 Hz, you have to change the display mode to full screen. So set it to full screen and then set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Then make sure VSync is off and then hit on apply, then click on confirm, and then you can go back, restart the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if that doesn't work, then you can also turn on the VSync and then hit on apply, save the changes and then go back and launch the game and check. Now fix 3 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then open C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Now open the FC26 game folder and select this FC26 exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open the device manager. Then expand the display adapters and here you will see the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and enable the integrated graphic card driver. And the last fix is to make sure your graphics card is up to date. If your graphic card driver is outdated and if it is not up to date, then just update it to the latest version and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes and steps, you can easily fix slow motion, slow-mo issue, input lag or input delay in EA Sports FC26 on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.